Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, where I share with you the best tips and tricks for living a tiny and sustainable life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a tiny house from scratch, following a comprehensive and detailed checklist that covers everything from planning and designing to finishing and furnishing. Embarking on the journey of building a tiny house is a courageous step towards a life of simplicity, sustainability, and freedom. If you're ready to embrace a life of less clutter and more adventure, building a tiny house might be the transformative journey you've been searching for. This complete tiny house building checklist is your roadmap to turning dreams into reality. Define your vision. Your tiny house is not just a structure, it's an extension of your dreams and aspirations. Take the time to envision the lifestyle you want and how your tiny house will fit into it. Is it a cozy retreat for weekends, a mobile home for travel enthusiasts, or a permanent residence? Define your vision to guide the entire design and construction process. Legal considerations. Navigate the legal landscape with care. Research local zoning laws, building codes, and regulations governing tiny houses. Some areas may have specific guidelines for tiny houses on wheels versus those on a foundation. Taking the time to understand and comply with these regulations ensures a smooth and hassle-free building process. Set a realistic budget. Crafting a realistic budget is more than just crunching numbers. It's about setting financial boundaries that align with your goals. Consider all aspects, from materials and labor to permits and unexpected costs. A well-thought-out budget not only keeps you financially secure, but also helps prioritize your needs and wants. Design your tiny oasis. Immerse yourself in the design phase by creating a detailed floor plan. Consider not just the layout, but also the aesthetics. Maximize space with multifunctional furniture and innovative storage solutions. Think about the flow of natural light and ventilation, and explore energy-efficient features and sustainable materials to align with the eco-friendly spirit of tiny living. Customization and personalization. Your tiny house is more than just a dwelling. It's an expression of your personality and lifestyle. Add personal touches through unique decor, color schemes, and design elements. Customization transforms your tiny abode into a cozy haven that feels like home, reflecting your individuality and creating a space you're excited to inhabit. Choose the right trailer. If your tiny house is on wheels, selecting the right trailer is paramount. Consider factors like weight capacity, durability, and road safety. Ensure it complies with transportation regulations to make your mobile dream home road-ready. The trailer is the foundation of your tiny house, and choosing wisely sets the stage for a secure and reliable structure. Select quality materials. The materials you choose will not only determine the aesthetic appeal of your tiny home, but also its longevity. Invest in durable and sustainable materials that align with your vision. Prioritize energy-efficient options and eco-friendly alternatives to minimize your environmental footprint. Quality materials contribute to the resilience and overall well-being of your tiny abode. Master the basics of construction. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or hiring professionals, understanding the basics of construction is crucial. From framing to roofing, having a foundational knowledge ensures a sturdy structure. Attend workshops, watch tutorials, and seek advice from experienced tiny house builders. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions throughout the building process. Mindful space utilization. Embrace the challenge of limited space by optimizing every inch. Think creatively about storage solutions, utilize vertical space, and incorporate foldable furniture. Choose layouts that enhance functionality, ensuring that every element serves a purpose. A tiny house is a testament to mindful living, where every item has its place, contributing to a clutter-free and harmonious environment. Tiny house foundation. Building a strong foundation is the first step in creating a stable and durable tiny house. Begin by framing the floor, ensuring precision and accuracy. Anchor the foundation securely to the trailer, using robust anchors to guarantee stability during transportation. Add metal flashing to protect against the elements and enhance the longevity of your structure. Insulate the foundation to create a comfortable living space and install a vapor barrier to shield against moisture. Tiny house wall framing. Framing the walls is a pivotal phase in bringing your tiny house to life. Ensure squareness by using a reliable level, such as the one recommended in the checklist. Test fit windows to guarantee a seamless fit, considering the dimensions carefully. Sheathe your tiny house walls with precision, keeping in mind the challenges posed by larger items like shower stalls and fridges that may not fit through the door. Raise the walls securely, square and brace them, and anchor the framing to the trailer for added stability. Tiny house sheathing. Sheathing your tiny house involves meticulous planning and execution. Measure and plan the layout with a quality tape measure, cutting all pieces with precision. Allow for an expansion gap between sheets and test fit them before applying glue to the studs. Tack the sheets in place with screws and nails, securing them every 3 inches on edges and 6 inches into covered studs. Anchor the plywood to the foundation after the walls are raised for added strength. Windows and door rough openings. Crafting openings for windows and doors requires precision and attention to detail. Double-check window dimensions, cut out openings with the recommended tools, and apply house wrap for added protection. Flash windowsills at a 5-degree angle, install windows with shimming, and secure them as per manufacturer recommendations. Flash windows meticulously, leaving the bottom edge unsealed for proper water drainage. Tiny house roof framing and sheathing. The roof is your tiny house's crowning glory. Construct trusses as per plans, ensuring they tie into wall framing with hurricane ties. Keep the height under 13.5 feet and build headers for skylights if needed. Plan the layout and dimensions for roof sheathing, cut boards, glue truss edges, and secure them with clips, nails, and screws. Install skylights following the provided directions, framing if necessary, and flashing according to guidelines. Doors, siding, and outside trim work. Frame in the door frame. Build or purchase the door, and test fit it before securing it to the frame. Consider a temporary plywood door during construction for added convenience. Install siding, tape the house wrap seams, and add furring strips for a polished exterior. Paint both sides of the siding before installation for enhanced durability. Complete the outside trim work by installing fascia boards and drip edges for a finished look. Roofing and rough plumbing. Apply ice and water shield before installing reflective barriers. Plan rough plumbing with careful consideration, accounting for drains, inlets, holes in the floor, vents, P-traps, and proper slope for effective water drainage. While rough plumbing may be an area to consider hiring a professional, meticulous planning ensures a functional and efficient plumbing system. Rough electrical, gas lines, and HVAC. Plan the locations of outlets, lights, fans, sockets, smoke alarms, and carbon monoxide alarms for rough electrical work. Similarly, plan gas lines and HVAC systems with the assistance of professionals. Ensure safety and efficiency in power usage, considering your specific needs and requirements. Insulation, major appliances, flooring, and walls. Install insulation, paying attention to materials that come in contact with foam. Apply a vapor barrier with a 6mm thickness for added protection. Install major appliances like water heaters, fridges, showers, and heaters. Follow flooring instructions and cover it with a durable protection layer. Hang wall panels, trim around lights and edges, and wire in lights and outlets for the walls. Take pride in achieving each milestone and savor a well-deserved nap in your evolving haven. Kitchen, bathroom, sleeping loft, and main room. Plan the layout and storage for the kitchen, constructing rough frames for cabinets and countertops. Install countertops, drop in the stove and sink, and build and install cabinet doors. In the bathroom, finish the shower stall connections, walls, storage, and install necessary fixtures. Plan additional storage for the sleeping loft, wire in lights and outlets, and create a cozy retreat. In the main room, finish HVAC, wire lights and outlets, build any built-in units, and finalize storage for a seamless living space. Plan for sustainability. Embrace eco-conscious choices in energy sources, water conservation, and waste management. Explore solar panels, composting toilets, and rainwater harvesting systems to minimize your environmental impact. A sustainable tiny house embodies the principles of mindful living, allowing you to live in harmony with nature while enjoying the freedom of a simplified lifestyle. Building a tiny house is not just a construction project, it's a transformative journey towards a life of simplicity and freedom. This comprehensive checklist serves as your guiding light, helping you navigate each step with confidence and precision. As you put the finishing touches on your dream haven, take a moment to revel in the accomplishment. You've crafted a space that reflects your vision and embodies the spirit of intentional living. May your tiny house be a source of joy, comfort, and boundless possibilities. I hope you found this helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tiny house content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!